Hi there, Escambia County Public Schools. Welcome to your Tech Tip in a Flash with the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. The newest installation in our Google Docs series we're proud to bring you. How you can work smart by using those smart chips that are already in those Google Docs. So sticking with the theme of a flash, let's begin. When you create a new document, you're going to see these smart chips. If I hover over them, it gives you a preview of what you can choose from. So meeting notes, you can make your email draft, or create a calendar event draft right from this document. The Add More, I'm going to show you that in just a second. So let's say I choose my meeting notes. It's going to bring up my calendar. I'm going to choose an event, and when I do, it will automatically populate all of the details from that event, including the date, the title. Now over here it's telling me I need to share these meeting notes. So I can share and attach anything here, or I could dismiss this notification. So once I make my selection, I can move back over to these notes. Now you'll see it gives you the attendees and any files that were attached in the invitation right here in your notes. You're also going to see action items and that you could email these meeting notes, and you also have more actions there. Now going back to that Add More, if you type your @ symbol, you're going to get this drop down. So you have a quick reference to those smart chips, dates, drop downs, placeholders, and then those building block chips that we saw originally on our document here. Also a review tracker, project assets, and a roadmap. And if we continue to scroll down, you're going to see that Google will suggest different files that you can add or calendar events here for easy access. If I click on my placeholder chips, I'm going to see that I could put people, files, dates, events, and places. Clicking File, if I hover over it, I'm going to see a list of files that I have in my Google Drive. Now remember, anytime I want that drop down, type your @ symbol and you're going to see it again. I could insert emojis if I wanted to, and then I want to take a look at this drop down list. So this makes it easy to add drop downs for project statuses or review statuses that you can quickly change. Another really neat feature, if you have a link, let's say a YouTube link, paste it in and tab over. And you have your smart chip right there. And you can do this with other files. So this is your quick overview of smart chips. We hope that you'll use them the next time that you're in Google Docs. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended video that's here on the side, because that is A Byte of Tech.